Take 1 cup chia seeds, drink daily. Can it shrink your belly fat? You've heard that chia seeds are healthy food, but did you know that besides using them as food, you can also use them for your drink? Along with 4 other ingredients, you can make an elixir that can help you with your weight loss journey. You'll notice changes as early as a couple of weeks. Here are the ingredients to your morning weight loss drink. A glass of warm water, 2 teaspoons of chia seeds, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, the juice of half a lemon, a dash of cayenne pepper, and a drizzle of honey. Once you have all of these ingredients, all you need to do is simply mix them and drink them every day 20 minutes before breakfast. The reason for this is that these ingredients are powerful and they do our bodies wonders. Today we'll go over the list and tell you what makes them special. First, chia seeds. Chia seeds are nutrient dense. They're very low in calories, but they have a lot of nutrients such as fiber and protein. This means they can help keep your sugar regular and feel full longer. This is good news for the digestive system, especially in terms of protecting it from diseases. The seeds also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are very good for the heart. The best part of chia seeds is the antioxidant content. This means they help keep chronic illnesses such as diabetes and cancer at bay. Second, honey. Think of honey as a healthier sweetener compared to refined sugar. It has a lower glycemic index, which is good in terms of protecting our cells from a lot of conditions such as diabetes and obesity. Even though we're told to keep it at a minimum, sugar is needed by the brain for energy as well as hormone production, so learning to choose better sources of sugar can do you good. Third, lemon. Did you know that just 1 lemon contains half of your daily vitamin C needs? And vitamin C is an antioxidant that we need every day. Lemons are also known to trigger the body's cleansing processes by helping the liver eliminate toxins. This has wonderful effects on the digestive system as well as the immune system. What's more, this fruit helps prevent bloating and other stomach problems. Loving the list already? We have tons of other videos about what you need to do and eat to burn belly fat faster than you ever did. So be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos in the future. The 4th ingredient is cayenne pepper. The compound that makes cayenne pepper spicy has powerful effects on the body. This is called capsaicin and it can increase our metabolic rate. It also helps regulate body temperature, which is good when it comes to burning calories from the food we eat. Body fat melting like butter makes sense now, all thanks to cayenne pepper. Lastly, ginger. Same with cayenne pepper, the strong flavor of ginger is due to its gingerol content, which has anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antiseptic properties. The compound also helps protect nerves and organs like the stomach and the intestines. Ginger is also known for suppressing feelings of hunger, maintaining good cholesterol levels, and blood sugar levels. It's no wonder why humanity has been using this herb as medicine before we had prescription medicine. They are still being used for purposes other than culinary reasons. In an ancient Japanese recipe, ginger is added to a herbal tonic designed to reduce body weight rapidly. This is called Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic and the recipe originates from one of the healthiest places in the world, Okinawa, Japan, a place where inhabitants live a long life and obesity is almost unheard of. The recipe was tested and loved by a 45-year-old mother of 3 by the name of Susan Adley. Susan suffered from out-of-control obesity after a life-threatening heart attack. She decided to take an alternative health route. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic was recommended to her and she drank the tonic every morning before 10 a.m. After 7 weeks of continued use, Susan lost 54 pounds. Check the link in the description to know more about Susan's story and see why the tonic works that efficiently. If you like this video and would love to burn fat rapidly, share this with your friends and subscribe to our channel as we have a lot of helpful tips for your weight loss journey. Click the notification bell for updates on future uploads. Thanks for watching!